This is the ZHITTHOME 2-pack underbed storage with wheels with an underwear storage container. When you get the box opened, set out the parts and pieces for each individual underbed storage unit. Lay out your 3 poles. They're easy to connect, as you'll see here. Once connected, lay 3 of them out side by side. Look for one of the square tubes. Make sure you have the wheel holes lined up with both tubes at either end. Attach the screws through the side holes and start attaching the 3 round tubes. Once you get the tubes attached, go ahead and use the included Allen wrench to tighten them down. This is pretty easy to assemble and did not take that long overall. Once you've got one side assembled, go ahead and work on the other side. Repeat the same process. Attach the 3 screws through the soles into the circular tubes. Again, make sure that the wheel holes are on the same side as the other square tube that you just finished. So here are the wheels that come with it. They give you 2 types, 2 with brakes and 2 without brakes. You'll want to open up the cloth storage container and then now insert your frame that you just built. Make sure that the wheel holes where the wheels are going to screw into are up or facing out. Once you get this frame inside, there are 4 Velcro straps that you will use to secure the rest of the frame to the storage container. Once you've gotten all those Velcro straps secured, now you're going to want to attach the wheels. I personally put the 2 brake wheels on one end and the 2 non-brake wheels on the other. You're going to want to finger tighten these as much as you can before you use the tool they provide, as it's really designed to secure that last couple turns. Once you've got the wheels on, you're ready to flip this over and install the base. Once you've got the base installed, you've got 2 dividers that you can throw in here to use for separating and organizing your storage items. These dividers just attach by Velcro to the 4 Velcro spots inside the walls of the storage container. There you are. You have now finished assembling this underbed storage container. This package also comes with an underwear organizer that you can put inside. There is a solid base foundation that you can see here that needs to be inserted. And you have to insert it very carefully and slowly slide it in underneath the dividers, as they do not come off of this underwear storage device. Once you get it in there, it's a pretty solid underwear storage. And so here they are both completed. As you can see in this one on the right, I currently have a queen size down comforter that I use for winter in here. It fits perfectly well. I took out the two dividers and just laid them flat inside. And then here's a set of sheets that I have that I'm going to just store in here as well. And both of these slide perfectly underneath my bed. I'll leave the Amazon link in the description below.